Hello everyone, this is Kavita Goyal. Welcome back you all in your science class. Today we are going to start your fifth chapter, Good Health. So without further ado, let's get started.
We eat food to get energy to work, play, grow and make our body strong and healthy. Food provides us nutrients and different nutrients are found in different foods. Some nutrients provide our body energy, some help in growth, while some help our body to fight diseases. There are five main nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates and fats give our body energy to work and play. Sugars and starch are carbohydrates that give quick energy. Carbohydrates are found in rice, potato, bread, wheat, sugar and noodles. Fats gives us energy to store for later use, and fats also helps us to stay warm. Fats are present in butter, oil, ghee, nuts and cheese. Proteins is required for body growth. Proteins help in making muscles, blood and skin. They help in repairing our body when it is damaged. Proteins are present in fish, meat, cheese, chicken, milk, eggs, pulses and nuts. Vitamins and minerals are needed by us in small amount to stay healthy and fit. There are different minerals and vitamins. Vitamins A, B, C, D, E and K are some vitamins that our body needs. While calcium, iron and phosphorus are some minerals that our body requires. If our body does not get sufficient amount of each vitamin or mineral, it leads to disease called deficiency disease. Our body also needs sufficient water and roughage or fiber. 2/3 of our body is made up of water and we cannot live very long without water. Roughage or fiber is that part of food which cannot be digested by the body. Fiber adds bulk to our food and helps our muscles to push food through stomach and intestine. It keeps intestine healthy. Roughage is present in all plant foods. A diet containing the right amount of all nutrients as well as water and roughage is called a balanced diet. For balanced diet, foods have been classified into 4 groups. The cereal group, which contains the rice, chapati, bread, noodles, etc. to give carbohydrates and minerals. Vegetable and fruit group gives vitamins, minerals and carbohydrates. Milk group, which contains milk, cheese, curd, etc. gives proteins, fats and minerals. While protein group, which contains meat, fish, eggs, beans, nuts, etc. gives proteins and fats. Friends, nutrients are lost if food is not cooked or stored properly. Washing the cut fruits or vegetables removes some of its nutrients. Overcooking destroys several nutrients, and cooking in excess water and throwing away the water also removes nutrients. If vegetables, fruits or cooked food is kept for a long time, they start smelling bad because of germs and molds start growing on them and spoil them. Consuming spoiled food causes food poisoning and other stomach problems. Food can be stored in refrigerator for a few days and in deep freezers for several weeks. Other methods of preserving foods are dehydration, that is removing water, sweetening, that is adding sugar, for example jam, salting, that is adding salt, for example to preserve fishes, canning, example canned fruits or baked beans, pickling and adding preservatives like vinegar or oil. A person suffering from diseases feels unwell, weak and is unable to work properly. There are different types of diseases. Some are caused by germs while others are caused by deficient diet. Diseases which can spread from one person to other are called communicable or infectious diseases. For example, cold and conjunctivitis. Infectious diseases are caused by germs when they enter the body. Diseases spread from sick person to healthy person when they come in contact. Spread of infectious diseases through infected food and water. Improperly stored food can get infected with germs. Germs come through dust, dirt, insects such as as cockroaches and houseflies and rodents like rats. Consuming infected food and water causes disease to spread. Diseases like diarrhea, typhoid, jaundice and cholera spread in this way. Cockroaches and flies breed in dirty places. People who live in dirty places or who keep their house dirty are more likely to fall ill with diseases. Diseases such as ringworm, chickenpox, measles and common cold spreads by touching the infected person. Germs pass from one person to another in this way. When a diseased person coughs, sneezes or spits, germs are released into the air. When a healthy person breathes this air, germs enter into his body. Diseases like common cold, flu, measles or viral fever spread in this way. Insects like mosquitoes and fleas spread diseases such as malaria, dengue and plague. When a female Anopheles mosquito sucks the blood of someone diseased by malaria, it sucks malaria germs too and carries these germs with it. When it bites other person, the germs passes into this person's blood and spread disease. Dengue is also spread by mosquitoes. Plague is caused by the bites of rat fleas. Skin is a protective wall of our body and germs cannot enter our skin. However, if our skin is cut or damaged, germs can enter freely and cause diseases. Germs of disease such as tetanus get into our body through cuts in the skin. The most effective way to prevent a disease is by controlling the breeding and spreading of the germs. The following few things will help. Keep ourselves and our surrounding clean. Bathe with soap and water every day. Wash hands with soap and water before and after eating food. Garbage breeds germs and insects like houseflies and cockroaches. Garbage should always be kept in covered bins. It should be disposed of regularly. Houses should be airy and allow sunlight to enter, as sunlight kills germs. Disinfectants and antiseptics are used to destroy germs. Disinfectants are used to clean floors, drains, bathrooms and bed linen. Antiseptic is used to clean wounds, cuts or insect bites. Insects that carry germs should be prevented from breeding in and near our house. For example, mosquitoes, flies and cockroaches. Use mosquito repellents and mosquito nets to prevent mosquito bites. Insecticides are chemicals which kill insects should be sprayed. Infected person and his belongings should be kept away from others to prevent spread of germs. Boiling drinking water for 10 to 15 minutes kills germs. Water purifiers available nowadays uses different methods to kill the germs. People, especially children, are given injections called vaccines to prevent them from getting serious diseases. Vaccines contains small quantities of dead or very weak germs of particular disease. They are swallowed or injected in the body and then body produces substances capable of fighting diseases in future. This is called immunity against particular disease. A child should be vaccinated for tuberculosis, polio, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus and measles before the age of 5. Deficiency diseases are caused due to lack of the right kind of food in diet. These diseases do not spread from one person to another, so they are called as non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Lack of vitamins and minerals causes deficiency of disease in the body. For example, deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness, deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi, lack of vitamin C causes scurvy, deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets, deficiency of iron causes anemia, deficiency of calcium and phosphorus causes soft and weak bones and bad teeth, while deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Some non-communicable diseases are caused by bad habits such as smoking or drinking alcohol. Air pollution also causes non-communicable diseases of the respiratory system. Besides balanced diet and cleanliness, We also need to do regular exercise and give our body enough rest to remain healthy. Exercise makes muscles grow stronger. It also makes our inner organs such as heart and lungs stronger. Lack of exercise makes our muscles weak and flabby, and the extra fat will settle under our skin and make us overweight and unhealthy.
So that's about it, students. Now you will try to solve the bookwork of this same chapter before getting the answer key. Till that, bye bye everyone.